This time I will not crush this beast. It's been a long fight between myself and DJI FPV. I've done simulators for over months, but I know the weight of DJI FPV is not comparable to those that I can practice my skills on laptop. So I decided to try to fly once again with a normal and a sports mode at the first time, and then try with a manual mode. I was so stressed that my fingers are shaking like hell. As you noticed, I flew my Mavic 2 as well, and this is what happened. Just simply that because I didn't kind of take care of myself. I didn't see, where the drone went, so I ended up like this. Let's see how it goes. It was there, more than 2 meters, and I successfully throw some rocks and then I got it back. What's up guys, today I successfully fly this drone safely, finally outside, not on the laptop next to the river. So I was kind of really worried about it, like, I can just let this thing to the water. Nothing crashed finally, because I crashed it 2 times. It was really awful. I'm still traumatized because of this. I want to kind of try more because it was I was really stressed, but on the other hand, like at the end of the day, I landed this guy safely. I feel like, okay, I can do it more. Yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.